So yung boy, kamusta? Matagal-tagal tayo hindi nakapag-vlog pre. Buti maaraw-araw na ngayon. Pakita mo yung ano, yun. Kasi kagagaling lang natin sa ulan. Mga 2 days, 3 days yun. Tapos ngayon umaaraw na. Sana okay lang kayo dyan lahat boy. So ang gagawin natin ngayon, mukhang madami-dami tayong gagawin ngayong araw. Kaya naisipan ko mag-vlog. Samahan nyo na lang kami ni Macy. Si Macy siya may hawak ng camera. Hi ka muna.
Hello.
After namin magbuhat, kasi papunta kami sa gym na yun eh. Baka car wash. After ng car wash, hindi ko pa alam yung mangyayari. Sa buhat, tapos car wash tayo boy. Kasi sobrang naulanan yung sasakyan eh. Kailangan hilamusan. So yun. Tara. Let's go.
I'm locked in. Guess I'm locked in. Yeah. Looking for a piece of mind. I've been trying to redefine life. I can see the signs. Word is gonna see me shine. Fighting for my soul's sake. Whipping fast, no brakes. Nothing's ever been a waste. Now that I've been wide awake. Loops trying to pull me back in. I was stuck for a minute and forgot the passion. Since the lights turned on, it's been camera action. And you start to see it all like a chain reaction. Watch it happen, yeah. Swear that I'ma find my way. Past been gone, I'ma watch it all fade. Whoa, guess I'm going MIA from everybody's problems. Oh, guess I'm locked in. Guess I'm locked in. I got this, and it's on my soul. Guess I'm locked in. Guess I'm locked in. I got this, and that's on my soul. Time's moving, I've been losing track of where I've been. Had to quiet all the voices living in my head. I see the riches of the world, I'm not impressed. Know that I'm far from perfect, but trying my best. Looking up to the sky, feeling grateful. Boy, I had to walk away from the fake road. Can't believe I'm still here on my way to find out the truth. Swear that I'ma find my way. Past been gone, I'ma watch it all fade. Whoa, guess I'm going MIA from everybody's problems.
So yung boy, tapos na kami magbuhat. So papunta kami ngayon sa car wash. Sana bukas. Sana, kasi hindi ko sure kung open sila ngayon eh. Yan. Dito kami dumadaan dyan sa kahabaan na yan. Pakita mo yung ano. Lubog to nung ano, sila yun oh. Lubog to nung Sunday ata, nung sobrang lakas ng ulan. Tingin ko kasi medyo umapaw yung ilog dun sa bandang ano eh. Yung mga, tawag doon? Yung mga mabababa yung
Area.
tawag doon? Yung pader ng ilog. Yun, kasi hindi pantay-pantay yung pader eh. So yun, let's go. So yung boy, after mag-car wash, dumaan kami dito sa ano, sa Dunkin. Hindi ko na nakuha na yung car wash kanina. May pa-design sila ngayon dito kasi buwan ng wika pala, Agosto eh. So yun, nakakatawa lang.
Pati yung cashier.
Pati yung mga cashier, Tagalog na Tagalog talaga, tapos naka-Pilipiniana. Yan, umorder lang kami ng kape. Naisipan lang namin magkape kasi nga katapos na magbuhat. Yan. Tapos pag uwi sa bahay, babanat ng lunch. Yan. Mga basic lang. Let's go.
She said it's all for you. I did it all for you. Baby, it's all for you. No. She said it's all for you. I did it all for you. Baby, it's all for you. No. We could catch a vibe here on this trip. I'm in your soul, you're on my head. I want you at my fingertips all night, all night. Love what you got on, but I want it all for you. We can play a song while I'm holding on to you. I've been in the hallway, no use for all the roads. What you wanna do? And she told me, she said it's all for you.
Ang tamis pala ng Vietnamese boy. Nabigla ako. Yung sa kanya kasi latte eh. So okay pala yung latte o dapat pinabawasan ko ng asukal.
Baka ganun talaga yung timpla nila.
Tamis.
Exchange tayo.
Let's go.
Writing in the margins of my mind all day, sipping herbal in the morning just to feel okay. Had a dream I was water just flowing through space, till I landed on the record that my grandma would play. Talk sweet like jazz in the park after rain. What a
So yun boy. Tapos na kami magkape-kape. Nag-crave kasi kami sa kape. Hindi ko alam bakit. Nakaka-crave naman kasi talaga. Dunkin eh. Tapos ngayon pauwi na sa bahay boy. So, doon ako magtatangalian sa bahay. Nauna yung dessert. Dapat kain muna bago kape. Wala eh. Ganun talaga. Let's go. So, yung boy. Di pa kami nakakauwi. Dumaan muna si Macy sa sa Alphamart. Ayun siya. Hindi ko alam kung manok ba bibilin or chicken liver. May ikukwento pala ako sa inyo boy. Nakita ko kanina si YouTube naglabas ng bagong rules, requirements sa monetization nila for next year ata ito, January ata mag-i-start. Kasi before, kailangan mo ng 1,000 subscribers, tapos 4,000 watch hours sa long form, or 10 million views sa short. Tapos yung bago nila na i-implement for next year, dapat 1,000 subscribers pa rin, pero yung watch hours 8,000 na. 8,000 watch hours, tapos sa short naman 20 million views. Either dun sa dalawa yung makuha mo either 8,000 watch hours or 20 million views sa short bago mo ma-trigger si monetization. So yun, marami nagre-reklamo ng mga small content creator. Syempre kasama na ako dun. Wala naman tayong magagawa doon pre. I-enjoy na lang natin. 'Di ba? Upload na lang ng upload. Document kung ma-reach mo yung di TY, 'di ba? Kung ma-reach mo, thank you. Kung di mo siya maabot, 'di ba? At least nado-document mo yung buhay mo pre. Pero medyo mabigat 'yun, yung 8,000 watch hours. Yung 4,000 ang hirap, di ko alam paano makukuha 'yun eh. Yung din nirereklamo nung iba. Parang baka daw maraming umalis sa YouTube platform, pero baka hindi rin eh. Kasi putok talaga si YouTube ngayon eh. So yun, hindi natin alam ano yung dahilan ni paring CEO. Nalimutan ko yung pangalan yung CEO ng YouTube. So yun, yung patapos si Mrs. Yun. Let's go.
grass smell green and the air feels sane. Put the phone on mute, let the silence explain. I don't need much, just a book in the brain. Used to chase things that were run from me.